Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you that will show you how to scale images in Squarespace. Just very quickly before I get into that, there's a link in the description for this video that will take you to the free trial version of Squarespace. If you want to try it for yourself, give this all a go, then you can just click that link and that will take you right there. So, as you can see, I have got a web page in front of me and I have imported an image or uploaded an image to the web page here on the right hand side, and it is a selectable object now that it's on my page. So when I give it a single left click, you'll see that the image is now selected and I've got these little white boxes that have appeared on the borders of the selection. So they're how you resize the image. If you click and drag any of them actually and drag the mouse to the left or the right whilst holding left click, that will resize the image just like that for you. Obviously it shows the grid behind it, so you can kind of use the squares for a little bit of guidance if you're resizing a few images, and you can make it quite large as well, just like that. And then you can drag it back into place and position it where you want. And as you can see, you can sort of keep on increasing that size then, just like that as well. So yeah, it's literally that simple, and it's literally just those little boxes there on the edges of the image, as you can see. And that concludes our video tutorial. So just like I said at the beginning of the video, there's a link in the description for a free trial version of Squarespace if you want to give it all a go. And if you like this kind of content and you want to see more, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, you can leave that as a comment down below as well. Thank you very much.